How can you swap WILGON on PancakeSwap? First of all, go to pancakeswap.finance. Click Trade button, then Exchange in menu bar on the left. Choose which tokens you desire to swap. To select WILGON, input its token address in the address field. You can copy the address from description. At first, you may have to repeat this step a few times until PancakeSwap recognizes this address. Click on Import. Enter the amount you want to swap. You can see the exchange rate at the bottom. Once you are ready, hit Connect Wallet and select MetaMask. Log into your wallet. Click on Swap, then Confirm Swap. And confirm the transaction. The swap is complete. You can view your new balances in your wallet. Thanks for your attention. Follow us on Facebook and Telegram, and check us on ILGON.com.